Hi everybody, my name is Brandon and welcome to Cointelli. Today we're going to look at the 3 reasons why your capital gains calculations are coming out so high and how to fix them. First, make sure you've imported all of your transaction history. Not just the transactions that have occurred this year and resulted in capital gains, but your entire comprehensive transaction history. So for example, if you started trading in 2018, you should import all of your withdrawals, deposits, transfers, trades from 2018 going forward. Second, you should also map out your internal transfers once you've imported all your transactions. Coin movements between your wallets and your exchanges, while they are non-taxable events, can still result in an inaccurate capital gains report because if they are not categorized properly, then Cointelli will view the outgoing transactions as a selling event and incoming transactions as buying events. And this will cause your capital gains to go much higher than they should be. And third, you've imported your transactions and mapped out your transfers. You also need to make sure that your coins are mapped out properly. The reason for this is that unlike stock trading, cryptocurrency does not have a standard ticker symbol system. So multiple coins can be given the same symbol and different exchanges can give different symbol to the same coin. So even with the best software, you can still end up with an accurate coin mapping. So in your overview page on Cointelli, go through your coins, and if they are mapped incorrectly, then update them to the correct coin and also update your in-spot price. And these are the 3 ways that you can guarantee that you have an accurate capital gains report every single time. How many transactions does Cointelli support, and why am I receiving an error message when I try to import more than 30,000 transactions? Well, Cointelli can support up to 100,000 transactions on our For Everyone plan. If you exceed 30,000 transactions, then we process those transactions during off-peak hours. So feel free to check back later in the day or come back again tomorrow. Now, if you exceed 100,000 transactions, you can contact our customer service and we'll set you up with an enterprise plan. 3 ways that you can reduce the amount of taxes you need to pay on crypto. The first strategy you can do is to harvest your losses. This simply means you take the losses that you incurred throughout the year and you use them to offset your gains. And if you incurred more losses than gains, you can use those additional losses to reduce the amount of taxable income you have, up to $3,000 per year. Next, the IRS lets you choose which crypto assets you want to report as having been sold. And there's 3 main methods, which we call cost basis methods or tax lot ID. The first method is called FIFO, first in, first out. And this means that your oldest assets that you've purchased will be reported as the first asset sold. The next method is LIFO, or last in, first out. And this means that your most recent purchases will become your first assets reported sold. And third, we have the HIFO method, or highest in, first out. And this means that your assets with the highest cost basis, or the price that you paid for them, will be the ones that are reported as having been sold. And so you can leverage the cost basis method to adjust your capital gains for that year. Now, the go-to method is typically the HIFO method because it results in the most optimal tax liability. However, this is more of a tax deferral strategy, as next year you will have to choose from a lower cost basis, and so that might actually increase your capital gains next year. And that brings me to the third strategy, which is hodling. If you do not sell, you don't have to pay taxes. But if you do sell, it's better to wait until you've held on to your assets for longer than 1 year. And then you can increase your holding period by choosing the FIFO method. And when you increase your holding period to more than 1 year, you can take advantage of the significantly lower long-term capital gains rates. Our customer service agents are always available to assist you through every step of the process. And if you have any questions, you can let us know anytime. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe for more crypto tax content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.